Welcome back to John O's Bass Fishing at Wheeler Lake today. Haven't been up here in quite a while. I'm excited though. Got a possibility of catching smallmouth, sauger, all sorts of cool stuff on the Tennessee River. So we're actually fishing a little bit of tailwaters today. So there's some current going. So we're just gonna see what happens. Stay tuned. That helicopter freaked me out the first time I heard it. There they go. That's like schooling fish, dude. I got one. Well, I guess even on the Tennessee River, I'm gonna catch at least a handful of these guys. Maybe catching these guys all day for all I know. First fish, well, white bass. A little bit off the daggone pump, but there's a lead. Oh man, I got him. That might be a smaller dude.
Heck yeah.
I think it is.
First of the day.
It's a stripe. He come up. He started coming straight up. All right guys, second fish of the day. Another little hybrid. On a 6XD. Wow. There he is. 6XD.
A little bigger. Yeah, I like that.
Oh, I missed the silver bait. They're right here in front of me. You need to hit them. I'm marking.
You right on top of them?
They're right there. You see the dart?
Yep. Get him?
I got one, but he ain't big at all. Oh my! Oh, it's a sauger!
Look at that!
I can't believe I caught a sauger. All right, guys. I don't even know what the limit on these are or anything, but that is a sauger. And I caught it on some kind of crankbait, and Nathan's got, looks like a largemouth, but I can't tell. Oh yeah, it's a largie. Here, sling him over here to me so I can, or just walk up here and show the camera.
I get over.
And he caught his
Little largie
on a Spro Little John. I got one. It's a spot. Oh, there's a small one.
Oh, wow.
Come on. Hey guys, I don't even know if this is fish number 3 or 4. But little spot, we've been missing a bunch of them right here in this little area. Little spot on a rock crawler. We've had a handful of smallmouth get off already. got
Good one?
I don't know. I don't think it's a bass. Oh, it is!
Oh, nice. Let me lift him?
No, I got it.
All right.
All right, guys. With it, my first cast with a spoon, and I didn't think I had a fish on it first. Golly, he's feisty. All right, there we go. All right, guys. Wheeler. We ain't caught no smallmouth yet, but that's well over a 5-pound largemouth right there. He's probably close to 6 with that belly. I ain't got the sucker to hit bottom yet.
Good one.
Got it. Another fish at this point. All right. Got a little white bass, a Jinko 4-inch swim bait. I'm chasing little baits.
Might be something that's mixed in with them.
Got one.
Nice.
Another white bass. The War Eagle lead spoon. Hi guys, that's it. I didn't have a great day. Did catch one big largemouth. We had a couple smallies get off, but they were small. We saw about a 3-pound smallmouth eating a little yellow bass about that big. We're trying to eat him right in front of the boat. We couldn't get him to eat, but you know, we learned a little bit. We did a little bit of running around, a little bit of graphing. We didn't have a whole lot of time to fish like we really wanted to, but I mean, we found a few fish. We had fun. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe. Be sure to hit the notification